In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the country on Spotify. So let's jump into it. It's really easy to do. So we can't actually do it inside the Spotify app. So you're going to need to go to the Spotify website to do this. So open up a web browser and just head over to the website, spotify.com. Once you're there, log into your account. So I'm going to click on login and log into my account here. And I'm in Thailand right now, and I created my account in the UK. So if you scroll down here, you'll see your username, email, birthday, and the country. So you'll see the country that you created your account in. And if you go to edit profile, it may or may not let you change your country. If it doesn't let you change it down here, then what you need to do is you need to go to user account overview. Then scroll down here, and you need to go to your payment settings. So click on update, and then inside of your payment settings, you can change your country to whatever country you're now in. And this is only really if you're moving permanently to that country. So for example, I can update my payment settings, and at the bottom here, I can change the country from the UK to whatever country I'm now living in. So you can see here, it says changing the country will cause your music catalog to change, as well as the price you paid for Spotify. So that's how you can change your country on Spotify in 2020. If that video helped you out, please do leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.